how did you get your first client? And the second question is, now in 2023, if you are going to start again, what you will do now compared to what you did
Okay.
earlier?
First question, I'll kind of talk you through two ways I address the first question, which is somewhat related. I come from a corporate space, meaning that before this I was Microsoft. My first client was Microsoft. Because you've been there, done that, you know their problems. As a vendor, you can get around politics and bureaucracy and different op roles. That's one way. Of course, not everyone can do that. So, but if I take a step back, my next client is actually my colleagues that have left Microsoft and have joined other companies. So I spread the word. This is what I do. And because we've collaborated in the past, they were past colleagues as well. They know what we do. They know how I perform, and the trust is therefore there. So that's like where I started from. And that started a groundswell of more and more referrals from the angle as we start to do with more people. So that's kind of answer the first question. The second question is, if I were to do it again now, I probably will do the same thing too. I will start spreading a message. Every day I got to meet two persons. I will tell them that I'm starting to look out and I want to be able to understand if there's something we can help you with. Start the groundswell from the angle.